Hello viewers, if you are just coming across what we have on the whiteboard, as a student who is preparing for the forthcoming Jamb examination, this video is for you. I repeat, this video is for you because this kind of a question, we can all as well found another question under this kind of a question and stop guessing and be careful. So guys, ethanol reacts with methanoic acid to give an option A, alkana. Alkana is the same thing as aldehyde, alkanoids, esters, alkanone, ketone, alkanone, hydroxy. Now, ethanol reacts with methanoic acid to give us what? The four options here are the answer, but until we solve before we can decide on the final answer. So guys, ethanol reacting with methanoic acid is what? We don't know it. So guys, what is the chemical formula of ethanol? We have C2H5OH. The chemical formula of this is what? HCOOH. Now, the functional group here, this functional group here is a family of alkanol. The functional group here is the family of alkanoic. So as you can see, we have alkanol, which is under ethanol, alkanoic, the methanoic acid. Now, what will be the products? We don't know it. So guys, come closer. Come closer. With what you have here, this H here, the H here will react with the OH from the ethanol, and mind you, when hydrogen ion plus hydroxy ion combine together, what are we going to have? We are going to have H2O, water. Now we are left with what? H C double bond. What do we have here? We have C2H5. What I underline here is a functional group of alkanoids. I'm showing you all this because it's going to help you in as much as you are just coming across this video and you are paying mass attention to what we are doing on the whiteboard. So what I underline here is functional group of alkanoids. Now, we are asked to identify, because when ethanol reacts with methanoic acid, what are you going to have? With what you have here, it shows that this compound is a good example of alkanoids. And this type of reaction is called esterification reaction, that is the forward reaction. While the backward reaction is hydrolysis, that is, this type of reaction you have on the whiteboard is a reversible reaction. I repeat, this type of equation you have on the board is esterification reaction, that is the forward reaction, while the backward reaction is hydrolysis. So now, let's name this compound in case of those that are just coming across this video. What you have here is a T, and what you have here from methanoic to methanoids. So guys, this compound is called methanoid and the compound is alkanoid. Back to what we have on the board. The first one is alkana. Alkana is also known as aldehyde, which the functional group is this. That is not the answer. B is the correct answer with the functional group. The functional group of D is this, hydroxy, while the functional group of alkanone, which is known as ketone, is this. So guys, one question, one solution, but from that question and one answer we are asked to find, we can tell that I've given you guys the necessary things you need to know about each of the options given.